Alligators and crocodiles are both large, semi-aquatic reptiles that are often confused with each other. However, there are some key differences between the two. Snout shape. One of the easiest ways to tell the difference between an alligator and a crocodile is by looking at their snout. Alligators have a wide, rounded snout, while crocodiles have a longer, more pointed snout. Teeth. Both alligators and crocodiles have very sharp teeth, but they are arranged differently. Alligators have a wider, U-shaped upper jaw, which means that when their mouths are closed, the fourth tooth on either side of their lower jaw is visible. Crocodiles, on the other hand, have a V-shaped upper jaw, which means that when their mouths are closed, both the fourth tooth on the upper and lower jaws are visible. Habitat. Alligators are typically found in freshwater environments, such as swamps, marshes, and rivers. Crocodiles, on the other hand, can be found in both freshwater and saltwater environments, including rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Behavior. Alligators are generally less aggressive than crocodiles and tend to be more docile around humans. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are known to be more aggressive and territorial. Size. Both alligators and crocodiles are large reptiles, but crocodiles tend to be larger. The largest crocodile species, the saltwater crocodile, can grow up to 23 feet long, while the largest alligator species, the American alligator, typically only grows up to around 14 feet long. Color. Alligators are usually darker in color, with black or dark gray skin, while crocodiles have lighter colored skin, ranging from brownish to olive green. Distribution. Alligators are found only in the United States and China, while crocodiles are found in many parts of the world, including Africa, Australia, Asia, and the Americas. Scales. The scales on an alligator's belly are large and bony, while those on a crocodile's belly are smaller and softer. Vocalizations. Alligators make a low, guttural noise, while crocodiles have a wider range of vocalizations, including grunts, hisses, and barks. Diet. While both alligators and crocodiles are carnivores, their diets differ slightly. Alligators tend to feed on fish, turtles, and small mammals, while crocodiles are more opportunistic and will eat a wider range of prey, including fish, birds, and larger mammals. It's important to note that while there are these general differences between alligators and crocodiles, there are also many variations within each species. For example, there are different species of alligators and crocodiles, and even within the same species, there can be variations in behavior, size, and other characteristics. Nesting behavior. Alligators typically build their nests out of vegetation, while crocodiles often dig holes in the sand or soil to lay their eggs. Social behavior. Alligators tend to be more social than crocodiles and can be found in groups called congregations. Crocodiles are more solitary and typically only interact during mating season. Speed. Both alligators and crocodiles are fast and powerful swimmers, but crocodiles are generally faster, especially in open water. Conservation status. Many species of alligators and crocodiles are listed as endangered or threatened due to habitat loss, hunting, and other factors. However, some populations have recovered thanks to conservation efforts. Cultural significance. Alligators and crocodiles have played important roles in the cultures of many societies around the world. In some cultures, they are considered sacred or revered, while in others, they are hunted for their meat, skin, and other body parts. They also have been the subject of many myths, legends, and stories in various cultures. Reproductive behavior. Both alligators and crocodiles lay eggs, but there are some differences in their reproductive behavior. Female alligators will typically lay around 20 to 50 eggs in a nest and will guard the nest until the eggs hatch. Male alligators will often defend their territory during mating season, and will engage in courtship displays to attract females. In contrast, female crocodiles will often lay between 20 to 60 eggs in a hole, and will not guard the nest. Male crocodiles will defend their territory during mating season, and will often engage in fights with other males. Skin texture. The skin texture of alligators and crocodiles differs as well. The skin of alligators is smooth and lacks any bony protrusions, while the skin of crocodiles has small bony plates or scales on it, giving it a rough texture. Vision. Both alligators and crocodiles have excellent vision, but crocodiles have a more highly developed visual system, which allows them to see better in low light conditions. Tail shape. Alligator tails are broad and paddle-shaped, while crocodile tails are more tapered and V-shaped. Species variation. It's important to note that there are many different species of alligators and crocodiles, and not all of them will exhibit all of the characteristics listed above. For example, the Chinese alligator is much smaller than the American alligator and has a snout that is more similar to a crocodile's. Similarly, the saltwater crocodile is much larger than other crocodile species and has a snout that is more similar to an alligator's.